Hey everyone, I'm back, this time with a very special product review because I had never come across anything like this before, and I have been featuring products for many years now, probably more years than I care to actually admit out loud, but I actually had never come across anything like this before. And the product, or products that I'm talking about, are from a company called BeWater. I mean, look at the packaging alone. And I haven't even told you what it is. The packaging alone is stunning. Now, I discovered BeWater quite by accident. I was on Instagram and I found their Instagram page, and I scrolled through and I thought, what is this? I've never seen anything like this. So I went to their website. Now, BeWater are very interesting. It's an intriguing concept. They actually make and sell these. How close so you can see. They are plastic. This plastic is called Titan plastic, so it's very durable. They are plastic water bottles, reusable water bottles, with a chamber of crystals and gemstones in their core. The gemstones are preserved in spring water, that's it. Now, you don't need to change them, you don't need to clean them, they're completely isolated from the rest of the plastic itself, but they are in their own little chamber. And that's what the top looks like. So you just unscrew it, pop your water in, you can see, and then you let the water infuse with the energies from the crystals for 10 minutes, and then you're good to go. I had heard about crystal infused water before. I'm very interested in things like that, and I would like to think I'm quite knowledgeable in regards to crystals. I have a lot of them, and I know about cleaning them and all sorts of things like that. And I had read a while ago, I believe it's a gemstone / rock called Shanghai, and it's only found one place in the entire world, and it creates the most beautiful crystal clear water. And everyone, you know, ancient civilizations have raved about the benefits of Shanghai infused water. So I looked into doing that. I looked into buying some, but it's very kind of difficult, and it's just, you have to get the right grade, and if you don't get the right grade, you know, it's kind of dangerous and stuff like that. So I looked into crystal infused water. I looked into doing it myself, and I know that some people do actually infuse their own crystal water with crystals at the bottom of just a water bottle or a glass. But as someone said on their Facebook page, on BeWater's Facebook page, they said I was really fed up with them clanking around in the bottom of my bottle. So this is absolutely the answer. I cannot believe how beautiful these are. This one in particular is amethyst and rock crystal. And I'll include some pictures so that you can properly see. The light in here is not really picking it up, but I will include some better pictures. And if you're interested, you can go to my Instagram, it's Wildcat Makeup. I'll put the address here. Go and have a look at the pictures, but I'll include them anyway. And you should also go and look at BeWater's Instagram page because it's stunning. Now, the idea behind this, as I was saying, is that water, and this is scientifically proven, water takes on not only the form of the container that it's in, but it also takes on the pipes it's been through, the rocks it's been through, it picks up minerals from things like that, and it actually has a memory. It's scientifically proven that water has a memory, not just in taking on shape, but in taking on everything that it passes through or over. It takes on that. It takes a little piece of it with it. So the idea behind BeWater, and crystal infused water in particular, is that it takes on the energy from the crystals. And because crystals are able to release their energy at kind of perfect time intervals, I suppose, it makes sense that if you put them in a bottle, even though they're in a chamber, so they're not actually physically touching the water, it doesn't matter because it's the water around it. It permeates through into the water. The other one I have is this one, and this one has water in it. I have been infusing, see, it's ice cold water, so let me get this off for you so you can see what's going on in the middle. Now, I have been infusing this water, and I had kept the water in the fridge because I wanted it to be cold. Now, this is the other one. Can you see? The chamber in there is fatter, but it's not as tall as the amethyst. This this is part of their love range. This range is all about peace, love and balance. So this one is rose quartz, amethyst and green aventurine. When I saw this, it just called to me. You know how things call to you? I mean, everybody says that about gemstones. Everyone says that, you know, there's no point trying to pick a gemstone that you really like. If you walk into a crystal shop, and I'm very lucky in the city near where I live that I have a crystal shop. If you walk into it, they just sing to you. So this one, look, amethyst at the top, then rose quartz, and then the green aventurine, as you can see. I think this is just such a wonderful concept because it's not only infusing the water with all the properties of the crystals and also a combination of the crystals, which is even more powerful when they're used in conjunction with each other, but it's encouraging people to drink, and I think that's a really interesting thing. And I also love the whole aspect of it being reusable. Aren't they stunning? I just love it. Now you hand wash them, don't put them in the dishwasher, but you don't need to do anything with this chamber. This chamber is fine by itself. You don't need to, I mean, I don't think you can't take it out, but they are working on these bottles with a interchangeable chamber, so you can either buy one, I believe, that's empty, so you can put your own crystal infusion in, or they're going to do interchangeable chambers of their own, which I think is a fantastic idea, so I can't wait for that. I'm very excited about that. They do 12 different varieties of crystal water bottles, and I thought, actually, because I went to look at the website, because I instantly fell in love, I thought these would be quite pricey, like, you know, really quite pricey. These two are actually $24.95. I can't believe it. I cannot believe they can do this so cheaply. It's such an intriguing, inventive idea. I really thought they'd be above about £50. $24.95. Some of them on the site are about £23. I think it depends on the cost of the crystals and the gemstones inside, which makes sense. Some crystals are more expensive than others. Amethyst and rose quartz in particular are quite expensive crystals. So these are just under £25. I cannot get over it. I can't get over their packaging. Oh yeah, the package came with these two little gemstones inside, and I did read on their Facebook page that they included gemstones in their packages, so I was really, they nearly got thrown away. I kind of picked the box up and I'm like, oh, and now I'm not quite sure. Oh wow. Oh, I'm even less sure now. I'm not quite sure what these are, so I'm going to have to go and have a little look. And then we have the green, which is beautiful. I think the green, no, I was going to say the green is a bloodstone, but it's not. So those came as well, just as a freebie. Aren't they beautiful? Those are stunning. I actually don't know what those are. So if you are interested, if you're interested, let me finish my words. It's bewater.com, and I'll put the link up here, and I'll also link it down below. But if you're interested, the water bottle itself is actually made of something called Triton durable plastic. So it's pretty much, you know, I mean, I wouldn't advise you to drop it, obviously, but if you dropped it on a carpeted area or something, you know, I'm sure it's very durable. The lid is steel, and as I said, they have to be hand washed, but you know, that's a given. It holds 650 ml. Now, 650 ml of water, that's ridiculous. That's absolutely ridiculous. I don't think I've ever come across a water bottle that was this big. And of course, that's great. I mean, you can tell, even though the water did come out the fridge, you can tell that it's keeping it cold, and it's quite a warm day, strangely enough, for April in the UK. And it's 24.5 centimeters in height. It's huge. It's a big mama. It's really, really durable. It's not flimsy, and there are no flimsy bits. You know, there's nothing, and the sides of it are beveled, so it's, as you can see, so it's really easy to hold. It's just the most stunning thing, but it's not heavy. It's not too heavy. It's not clunky or bulky. I'm completely in love. I'm absolutely in love. You should go and check out their Facebook page as well, because everyone raves about not only the product itself, but the fact that the people that work there and the customer service team are just really helpful and really genuinely nice people. So go and look at their Facebook page. I'll link that down below, and make sure you go and look at their Instagram, because their Instagram is stunning, absolutely stunning. They're a relatively new company, so I think they really do deserve a lot of support, because they make such beautiful products and they're such nice people. But you know, it really is a testament, if you read the comments on their Facebook page, to them as a company, because people love these. People have said, you know, I went and bought one, and then it arrived. I immediately, after I opened the box, went and ordered another one. These make great gifts as well. I mean, come on, where can you find anything like that? I've never seen anything like this. I'm stunned. This is one of the, I think it's probably the most pretty thing that I've seen in a very long time, and it's such a lovely idea. It's instantly calming. You know, you look at it and it's just, you can just tell it's going to do some good. I love it. So that's my review of Bee Water's crystal infused water bottles. I will link everything that I've mentioned down below, including these two. As I said, this is the BeGlow, and the Amethyst one is BeClarity, I believe. They are beautiful. They're so stunning. You have to go and look at their website. Their website, you will want to order everything. So, you know, have your credit card at the ready. You will want to order everything. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I hope it was something different for you. I'm trying to bring you new content. And as I said, make sure to check out my Instagram. It's Wildcat Makeup. I'll link it down below. Make sure you come and say hi, because I'm there all the time. I'm surprised, actually, I'm not there at the moment. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye, everyone.